Every Road Tech YouTube. Hello friends and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a bootable USB drive. Very simple. First of all, follow the link on the video description below and it will redirect you to this website. From here you can see the description and details about the software. Scroll it down on the page and from the download part, based on your Windows 64-bit or 86, choose the right version and download that. So you can download the portable version, you don't need to install it, it's just run immediately. Or you can use the installing version, you should install first then you can use the software. So in this case I'm going to choose the second one, a portable version. After you download that, you should run the program. You will see this page. So first of all, what I want to do, I want to download the latest version of Windows 11 through the official website from Microsoft. So we need the ISO file and one memory stick or USB drive to write our data through the ISO file with this application on the USB drive. So step one, I'm going, after we download the software, this is step one, and step two, I'm going to download the Windows version. So I'm going ahead through the Microsoft website, and from the Windows 11 session on the download page, I scroll it down, and from here you can see download Windows 11 disk image ISO for. So what we should do, just choose Windows 11 and after you should download it and you will get a ISO file, and we can write that ISO on the USB to use it as a portable installing Windows machine anywhere we want. So after you download the Windows, you should get the ISO file, extract it on your desktop, and the next step we're going to load it through the application. In this step, connect your USB flash drive onto your computer. So for example, I should have my computer, that's my USB drive. So it's 14 GB is enough space to what I want to do. So in this step, after I download the ISO file, the Windows version from the website, I should extract it on my desktop or wherever I want. You will see this file is about 5 GB, and we come back to the application. From the device, it will recognize our USB drive stick, 16 GB, and from the boot section we should, because it's an ISO file, we choose the disk or ISO image, and from the select we will select the location where we download the ISO file. So it will be on the desktop and ISO folder and Windows 11 open. So here we are. You can see all the details here and leave it as a default. In the format option here you can just change the title. So for example, I will change it to Windows 11, and from the file system also you can change it to NTFS and just click on start. So you will see this message pop up on the screen. If your laptop or computer is not a minimum requirement for installing Windows 11, you can tick this box and it will not interrupt during the installation. And if you don't wanna like a requirement to online Microsoft account, you should tick that box as well. Also you can create a user straight away. When you install the Windows, you could see straight away already create a username. With that title, you put it on as a user. You should also, you can click disable data collection and leave that one here. BitLocker, you can actually protect your hard drive with encrypt your data with a password. It's one of the good feature. You can have it on your Windows. So after choosing that boxes and click on OK, and you will see another message pop up on the screen. So you should click on yes, then be sure you don't have anything on that drive, because you will lose all those data and it will be replaced with our Windows 11 images. Click on yes and one more time OK. So starting to delete the partition and create a new partition with the system is required, and you should wait until this process is finished. So as you can see, after finishing the process, it's ready to use the USB drive. So if I just come back to the PC and you notice it's changed to Windows 11 and is ready to install our Windows. So if you have a laptop or computer, if you just stick your USB drive on a computer and turn on your computer or laptop or restart it and immediately push F12 on the keyboard, you will see the boot menu, and from the boot menu you should choose the USB drive to read the Windows 11 and start to install the Windows. So I'm gonna try it in virtual machine to do the same demonstration to see how it works. After you stick your USB on your computer or laptop, and when it's start up, you should see this icon is coming up and loading to the process to installing the Windows 11 through the USB drive. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's gonna be useful for you. Good luck.